Let's test the true or false myth. If you drink a whole bottle of Coke without burping, will you really explode? Let's start by seeing what pressure Coke has. About the same as a car tyre. You can see gas relieves pressure as you drink, stopping build-up. We just saw that in an open system, the gas moves around relatively freely. Now, this is what will happen in a closed system. The way that the body is designed to work, I just don't think it will be able to hold this level of gas in your stomach. So with all that being said, I still personally wouldn't suggest trying this. You don't really want any build-up of gas like that in your stomach, so it's best to avoid doing this. It's false! Very cool.